This video is presented to you by www.testprepadda.com. Testprepadda.com provides free audio-visual lectures of different subjects by expert faculties, free online tests prepared by expert faculties to students who are preparing for engineering or medical entrance exams or planning to take exams like KVPY, Olympiad, etc. It provides a platform where students can interact with mentors to improve their performance in the exams. The mission of this online medium is to help students to achieve their goals. Dear students, in the previous session of sets, I talked about the definition of set. Now in this session, I will talk about few important points regarding sets. I will tell you how to represent a set. The first point is sets are usually denoted by capital letters like ABC, PQR, XYZ. Got it? For example, in mathematics, W, this indicates the set of whole numbers. Set of whole numbers. A number not having any decimal or fractional part. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. All these numbers we put in the category of whole numbers and we indicate this with W. Okay. Similarly, in mathematics we write N. This indicates the set of all natural numbers. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. A number that occurs commonly. It is obvious. Or you can say it is a positive whole number. It is a positive whole number. And these numbers we put as N. Got it? Similarly, we write Z. Z for set of all integers. All integers. Integers are actually formed by whole numbers together with negative natural numbers. Together with negative natural numbers. Means I can say Z as so on. Okay, so what can we say? Natural numbers are actually positive integers. Natural numbers are actually positive integers. And at the same time, we write Z plus to indicate positive integers. And Z minus to indicate negative integers. Got it? Now, we write Q to indicate set of all rational numbers. What are rational numbers? Numbers which can be written in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q, they belong to Z. Z means integers, and Q not equal to 0, because if I write Q equal to 0, then P by Q will become not defined. So here Q represents what? Q indicates set of all rational numbers. If I write Q plus, you can say Q plus is the set of positive rational numbers. Got it? Now, in mathematics, we write R. R to represent set of real numbers. Set of real numbers. Actually, all rational and irrational numbers, if we take together, they form set of real numbers and represented by R. Got it? Now, if I say R plus, what will you say? Set of positive real numbers. Set of positive real numbers. So the conclusion is point 1 here. Sets are usually denoted by capital letters. Got it? Now I will talk about second point. Second point regarding sets is, in place of objects, normally we say collection of objects. In place of objects, we can also say elements or members of the set. And third point, elements of a set are usually represented by small letters like ABC here, PQR, or XYZ. Got it? For example, if I write set of vowels, first of all, I will represent this with capital letter V here. And now, elements will be written in small letters. So, small letters, I'll write A, E, I, O, U. So, the elements I have written with small letters, and the set I have represented with capital letter. Right? Now the fourth point. Fourth point, I will tell you the correct representation of a set. I will talk about the methods to represent a set. Students, there are two methods to represent a set. One is tabular form or roster form, and second is set builder form. So here, first I will talk about tabular, or I can write this as roster form. First I'll talk about this method. In this method, all elements of a set are written inside curly brackets separated by commas. I'll write here for you. So all elements should be written inside curly brackets and separated by commas. For example, if I write all vowels, as I told you, set will be represented with capital letter is equal to, now tabular form, I will write curly brackets here, and then 5 letters A, E, I, O, U will be written inside this and separated by commas. I'll write A, comma E, comma I, comma O, comma U. Got it? Now important point here is the order. Order is immaterial. You write in any order, it will be considered as correct. Means if I write V is equal to E, I, A, U, O, then also it is correct. It is set of vowels. Clear? Now another important point here is elements are not repeated. Elements are not repeated. For example, if I say set of letters forming word government. Okay, now if you check the spelling, you can find here E is repeated, N is repeated. So when I write this set, let us say G, I will write it as G, comma O, comma V, comma E, comma R, comma N, comma M, comma T. I will not write this E 2 times. I will not write this N 2 times. So here the elements should not be repeated. Elements are taken as distinct. Got it? Now, if I write set of even natural numbers, it will be written as 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. Here, dots indicate that list of even natural numbers continue indefinitely. Got it? So for this we use dots here. Now, the number of elements present in a set, the number of elements present in a set is called cardinal number. Important point. Cardinal number. What is cardinal number? Number of elements present in a set. For example, if I ask you how many elements are present in set vowels, you will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the cardinality of this set is 5. Now, set can be classified as finite set, as infinite set. Now, a set is said to be finite. A set is said to be finite if number of elements is finite. If a set has a finite number of elements, then the set will be called finite set. Now, infinite set, if a set is not finite, it will be considered as infinite set. For example, if I write set of first 5 natural numbers, if I write set of first 5 natural numbers, then I'll write this as curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so what is the cardinality of this set? The cardinality of set is number of elements in a set, and that is 5. So cardinality of this set is 5. Okay, now if I write set of integers, set of positive integers, if I say, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. So you can see here the number of elements is not finite. That is why this will be considered as what kind of set? Infinite set. But in infinite sets also we can say few are countable, few are uncountable. For example, the set of all integers, set of integers is considered to be a countable infinite set, while set of real numbers we say as uncountable infinite set. Got it? So countable infinite set and uncountable infinite set. So infinite set will be considered as countable if it is if the number of if the elements can be counted. Got it? Now another point here. Consider a set of vowels. I'll write here A, E, I, O, U. If an element, you can see 5 elements are present here, A, E, I, O, U. If an element is present in a set, we say it as belongs to that set. Belongs to. And for this, we use Greek symbol epsilon. For example, here I can say this. The meaning of this is A belongs to V. But if I say B, this B is not the part of this set. So for this I'll say B does not belong to set V. B does not belong to set V. So Whether an element is a part of set or not, for this we use symbol epsilon. Got it? Now I will take a question here. In this question, a set P is given in roster form, and we have to insert these two symbols in the 5 cases. First of all, we need to know the meaning of these symbols. We had already discussed in this session. This symbol indicates that if an element belongs to a set, then we use this symbol. If an element does not belong to a set, then we use symbol this. Here you can see different elements of this set are 2, 3, 6, 9, 11, 15. Now in the first case you can see 5. If you check this set, 5 is not the member of this set. That is why we will insert symbol this. 5 is not an element of set P. 6 is present. 6 is the element of the set P. That is why we will say 6 belongs to set P. 9, you can see 9 is also present in the set, so we'll say 9 is the member of the set P, means 9 belongs to set P. Now 3 is also the member of the set P. 3 is the element here, so we'll say 3 belongs to set P. 1, here you can see 1 is not present, it is 11. So for 1 we will say 1 does not belong to set P. So this way we place these two symbols in different cases. Now I'll take another question here. Now this question says, write the solution set for the equation x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0 in the tabular form. So first of all, we need to get the solutions for this equation. The equation is x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. I can write this as x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. X is common here, so I can write x into x minus 2 plus I can write this as x minus 2 equal to 0. Now x minus 2 is common here, so it is x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So either x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 1. So two solutions for this equation. Now we have to write these two in a tabular form. So I will write the solution s is equal to 2 comma minus 1. The order does not matter here. That is why you can also write minus 1 comma 2. So this way we write the solution set for the given equation. Now in the next session we will discuss another method for writing the set, another way to write this set. Log on to www.testprepadda.com to watch free video lectures on different topics, to download free revision notes, to take free chapter-wise online tests, progressive test, and mock test, to discuss doubts with mentors. Thank you for watching the video. To stay up to date with the latest videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on our Facebook page, Test Prep Adda. All the best.